Dear students, today we will talk about the Mendel's experiment. In the last video, we have discussed the different basic terms about of the genetics, and also we have seen why we have chosen the pea plant for his genetics experiment, and also added one point about different contrasting characters which Mendel has selected for his experiment. So here in this video we are going to talk about the experiment of the Mendel and the steps through which he has conducted his experiment. So Gregor Mendel conducted his experiments on garden pea, that is Pisum sativum. The generic and species name of garden pea, that is green pea, is Pisum sativum. Then he had started his work with pure lines, means with true breeding plants. This true breeding plants means they show the same characteristics in the offsprings, means the characters which are found in the parents, those characters are also seen in the next generation. So those are called true breeding plants. Now the question arises, how he got these pure lines. Pure lines can be obtained by conducting the by crossing those plants or self breeding those plants in 3 steps as follows. The step 1 is selection of parents and obtaining pure lines. Mendel started with pure lines which were available and also selected male and female parents which are breeding true for the selected traits by selfing them for 3 generations. So how he obtained the pure lines is he does the breeding for by selfing those plants for 3 generations. So in this way he got this pure lines, that means the same characters are transferred from the parents to the offsprings. Then step number 2 is artificial cross of the selected parents to raise F1 generation. Mendel emasculated here, that is emasculated the flowers of the plant which he had selected as a female parent. Pollens from the flower of selected male parent were dusted on the stigma of the emasculated flower, and finally Mendel crossed many flowers, collected the seeds from those plants and raised the hybrids that represent first filial generation, that is F1 generation. So what he does actually in the second step, artificial cross of the selected parents to raise F1 generation. So here artificial crossing means he does emasculation. Emasculation means removal of stamens before anthesis, means the stamens, that is male reproductive part, is removed, and so that the pollination does not occur or could not occur. The flowers of the plant which he had selected as a female parent, then pollens from the flower of selected male parent were dusted. So whatever male parent he wanted to see or observe, that the pollen grains from that male plant is dusted on the stigma of the emasculated flower. So this is artificial cross he carried out. And then Mendel also crossed many flowers in this way and then collected the seeds from those plants and raised the hybrids that represent first filial generation, means the F1 generation. So in this way artificial crossing is done and raised or for obtaining the F1 generation. Then the next is the step number 3, that is selfing of F1 hybrids to raise F2 generation. So here Mendel allowed the natural self pollination in each F1 hybrid and then collected seeds separately and raised F2 generation. that is second filial generation. Further generation was obtained by selfing of F2 hybrids. So in the step number 3, he did selfing of F1 hybrids and he raised F2 generation. Selfing means again the self pollination is done. So Mendel allowed the natural self pollination. He did the natural self pollination, or he allowed the plants to be self pollinated and in each F1 hybrid, and then collected the seeds separately from those plants and then raised F2 generation. So he got the F2 generation by self pollinating, by allowing the plants for self pollination, and then second filial generation. Further generations also obtained in the same way, in the same manner, by allowing self pollination of those plants. So these are the 3 steps of the Mendel's experiments, that is selection of true breeding plants, then hybridization of obtaining F1 generation, and then selfing of F1 hybrids to raise F2 generation. So he carried out the experiment with all these 3 steps, and in the next video we will talk about the monohybrid cross and also the dihybrid cross. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.